our product of the day, which is the Kaimino knife. If you have, please, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to unmute yourself or simply put your question on the chat, and later on I will be answering them one by one. So our Atomy marketing plan. First of all, why is Atomy reliable business partner? It is already proven and tested that Atomy is giving us a generational stable income. So which means that our ID can be transferred up to the third generation. So meaning to say up to our grandchildren. So when we established our business and we are out of the world, all of our hard work, all of our consumers, all of our distributors will not be wasted because all of them within our ID or under our ID will be transferred to our chosen person up to the third generation. And Atomy is also a systematic business because we could earn a stable income through an established system. It is true that you and I do not need to have an inventory to be able to, do the Atomy business. Why? Because all you need to do is to use your products, to share the experience of the products, and help your consumers or your potential partners to have their own account and educate them on how to order online by themselves. And later on, if they might be or they will be interested with the business, little by little, we will be able to share them about our established system and our very righteous compensation plan. Atomy also has a competitive advantage. We are a reliable company. We started in 2009 and now our revenue is billions. Yes, you heard it right. Not million, but billion. And we are growing to a lot of countries around the world. And not only that, Atomy is very special and very well known because of our competitive products. So in South Korea, we have at least 500 plus products. And in Europe, I believe we already have like 100 plus products available online. And every month, Atomy is doing its best to have more and more products available for Atomy Europe. So watch out for all the products that are coming soon. This is, our business is really getting so exciting. Now, in times of sudden crisis or rapid change in society, we could adopt a system that can generate steady, stable income. Nowadays, AI has been generating a lot. A lot of jobs will be replaced going forward, like the accountants, for example, because everything we can do by ourselves using this technology, and they are being upgraded on a daily basis. So therefore, there will be uncertain economic environment as well and uncertain retirement years. Of course, if we do not work enough, we will also have, not enough retirement or pension going forward. But if we will be able to establish our Atomy business will generate income for the rest of our lives up until the third generation. So as I've said a while ago, Atomy has just been open since 2009. But you can see Atomy is already among the top 10 worldwide in network marketing companies. Like for example, Amway, Herbalife, they are already in network marketing business for what, 40 years, 50 years? But Atomy was from 2009 and yet it managed to be on the top 10 already. So meaning to say our products, our business plan, our compensation plan is really very, very competitive. Now, Atomy is a distribution structure of a direct sales and business. Atomy is a network marketing company. So from supplier, instead of having a middleman, wholesaler and retailer, from supplier, the products directly goes to our consumers. So meaning to say, that is the reason why our products are very economic in price. So meaning to say they are affordable because we already eliminate these two middleman, which are the wholesaler and the retailer. So therefore, our products are more affordable than other products that we can see everywhere. And Atomy is a leader in the platform business. So we have a very systematic platform. First, let us define what is a platform business. A platform business is a business model where revenue is generated within an online or offline platform that connects and engages users. So Atomy is like Amazon, Naver, YouTube, Facebook, Coupang, Kakao, Gmarket, and Google. So you see, Atomy is really in a fast pace when it comes to generalizing and systematizing our system. So therefore, Atomy is really a reliable platform that can serve for many, many, many years to come. So if I were you, if you are new in the business, this is the right time to think about how much time, how much effort would you give to your Atomy business. Now, Atomy is a system supported business or system based business. This is a business model that generates continuous income through a well established system, allowing profits to flow even while you sleep. Remember, we are available worldwide, right? So we can have consumers from America, we can have consumers from the Philippines, we can have consumers from Canada, for example, and while we are sleeping in Europe, some people, for example, from Canada or from the Philippines, are buying or purchasing products online. So the next day, we will just see, oh, I have a commission. It flows even when I sleep. And the more we do Atomy now, the more we strengthen our business, the more it will give a lot of return in the future. So here are more examples of system-based business like rental income or real estates, royalties from copyright, music, books, etc., bank interest and income, and income from advertising on blogs and YouTube. Plus of course, Atomy or network marketing, multi-level marketing. Now, Atomy is a company dedicated to customer success. Customer success is Atomy's goal and fundamental principles. Why? Because when customer succeeds, Atomy succeeds. Customer success is achieved through the best products. The best products equals customer success equals Atomy's success. And that is the promise of our president, which is President Park Han-il. He founded Atomy in South Korea last 2009, and he has earned respect through honest management. So as you can see here, these are the status of overseas branches of Atomy. We are already established in 27 regions: Russia, United Kingdom, Turkey, India, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Australia, New Zealand, Cambodia, Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, and everything that you can see onto your screen. So we are a hub that connects all manufacturers and consumers around the world. And not only that, in the next 5 years, Atomy will also open to a lot more countries. So meaning to say, our possibility, our growth possibility is not only available in Europe or everywhere that you can see here on your screen, but also is available on the coming or the future countries where Atomy will open. And as of now, Atomy global membership is over 15 million members. That's already a lot. And as you can see here, global sales revenue since 2021, we have achieved 2.2 billion won. So what now? It's gonna be it's it 2.2 billion won or 1.52 million euros. Atomy, of course, you can trust and use. We have our company motto, absolute quality, absolute price, which leads to without recommendations. So, meaning to say our products speaks for themselves. We have different types of products ranging from food supplements, beauty, hair and body, home products, appliances, and fashion. Yes, we also have clothes, we also have undergarments, and so on. Atomy is a global distributor of mass prestige products. Mastige means mass for the prestige mass. Mastige means mass for the general public, and tige means prestige. So, meaning to say, even our products are very affordable in price, yet it has a very prestigious or luxurious quality, but available or purchasable by everyone around the world. We also have the GSGS strategy, which means global sourcing, global sales. So Atomy's international subsidiaries go beyond simply selling Korean products. So Atomy also sources products from the countries where a product is well known or where an ingredient is well known and distributed around the world. So as an example, we have the avocado oil, which is originated from Mexico. We have the Atomy vitamin B complex, which is originated from USA. And we also have the Atomy bubble hair color, which is originated from Taiwan. Atomy Taiwan. So, which means that Atomy is not only distributing product around the world, it also helps the individuals on a certain country to have more jobs possible. Atomy also creates jobs for people, right? So it's amazing. So Mastige products achieved that thanks to absolute quality and absolute price. So more and more products are going to be available later on for us here in Atomy Europe. What we are really proud about is a very fair compensation plan that is also balanced. We have a binary system, which means you just have to create two legs, one on your left and one on your right. We have unlimited levels and accumulation recognized in all open regions. So which means that you can have customers or distributors from around the world where Atomy is open. For example, from Korea, from Japan, from USA, from New Zealand, from Thailand, from Canada, and so on and so forth. And if your members from these countries purchase online, you will also accumulate the points, even if they purchase from their respective regions. We also have a unique global marketing system and compensation limit to guarantee fair income. We will be discussing that on the next slides. What are the strong features of Atomy? We do not have fees and no obligation at all. No registration fees, no starter package. We also do not require or automatic reordering. No distribution store required distribution, and no annual sales quota. No annual sales quota. So our growth depends on the speed of our business. So it depends personally on how much do I need the income of Atomy. And as I've said a while ago, the inheritance up to the third generation. Everything that we built when we die, our ID could be passed on up to the third generation. So here are the main sources of income for Atomy. First is the general commission, which is calculated every day and issued every week, specifically every Tuesday. So today we are so happy because we receive our commission again. And commission for mastership, which is calculated and issued every 15 days. We also have a bonus for mastership issued once when we achieve a mastership promotion. And we also have a commission educational center calculated every day and issued bi-weekly. How do we determine our commission. Of course, from the PV or products point value. Every products that we have online has a specific point value. So for example, when we order Himohimji, we will have 73,000 points. Absolute Set, being the highest points in our Atomy Europe shopping mall, has 115,000 points. Now, this is the fair distribution of our general commission or the daily commission. Minimum that we can earn from the general commission is about 15 euros. It's not included here, but we have the 15 euros. And maximum that we can have on a daily basis is 1,000 US dollars or 900 euros per day if we accumulate the points required for the commission, of course. Now, for masterships, we can challenge the mastership by monthly, 1 to 15th of the month and 16th up to the end of the month. So, for example, we maintain our sales master 2 times in a month, then we can have an income of 1,500 euros per month. If we maintain our Diamond Master per month, we can have an income of 4,500 euros per month. Sharon Rose Master, 10,000 euros. Star Master, 20,000. Royal Master, 30,000 up to Imperial Master, of course, which is 90,000 euros. For myself, I'm just dreaming to have at least 30,000 euros. If I will have 60,000 euros per month, I will be really more than happy. Yeah. So after all the hard work, right, we are rewarded. So here are the rank requirements for mastership and monthly income. So in order for us to achieve 1,500 euros maintained sales master, 2 times in a month, we have to have 700,000 personal points. If you already have that, the next challenge, you don't need to have another 700,000. So 2.5 million points on the left, 2.5 million points on the right. So if we are talking about how much sales do we need to accumulate, well, of course, it depends on the products because we are determining it based on the points of the products. If we have that, then I would say approximately 4,500 to 12,000 euros worth of sales within 2 weeks. So it's really not a one-man business, but a team business wherein we have to talk how we will achieve it. Diamond Master, which is 4,500 euros per month. You have to have 1.5 million personal points and 2 sales master on your left and 2 sales master on your right. Sharon Rose Master, as you can see here, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and of course, Imperial Master. To achieve 90,000 euros per month, your personal PV should be 2.4 million points, and you must have 2 Crown Master on your left and 2 Crown Master on your right. Now, this has been a slight change on our compensation plan. So before, for the sales master, once you achieve it for the first time, you have normally a product, which is evening care and absolute set. But now, they are giving away 300 euro cash bonus. So meaning to say, when you achieve your sales master for the first time, your approximate earning will be 1,000 euros in 2 weeks. And Diamond Master, you have 1,050 euros cash bonus. Before, it was 750 euros plus evening care and absolute set. So now it's only 1,050 euros. Sharon Rose Master, you have cash, 1,650 euros, promotional tour of 3 nights and 4 days, 2 tickets. And Star Master, 7,500 cash bonus. Royal Master, 37,000 euros cash bonus with 1,500 euros sponsorship activities every month. Crown Master, you have 225,000 euros once when you achieve your Crown Master for the first time. And Imperial Master, of course, you have the 740,000 euros once when you achieve your Imperial Master for the first time. And you will be awarded, of course, in South Korea. You see, Chairman Park will give you this forklift with all the money. I think you're gonna have to have, I think, 4 luggages to bring all your money. And then you will be, you will be taxed in the customs. Why are you bringing such a lot of money? And Education Center commissions paid to center leaders who run education centers for member training purposes, 6% commission on all sales. Atomy Success System. We have to attend, of course, our Success Academy, wherein we are rewarded for our success, 1 day seminar, global seminar, center meetings, and of course, online seminars. Atomy will continue to uphold its commitment to honest management guided by the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. In this time of uncertainty, ensure your success with the Atomy platform. So